What if the future did not arrive with a warning? What if one day humanity simply woke up and discovered that the world had changed? Not because of one giant invention, not because of one genius moment, but because millions of machines, billions of lines of code, and thousands of experiments quietly transformed civilization. A car that thinks, a factory that works without humans, a robot that moves like a person, a city that can predict your needs, a train that floats above the ground, a farm controlled by artificial intelligence. For decades, the world asked, who will invent the future? Many expected the answer to come from Silicon Valley, from famous companies, from individual billionaires. But something unexpected happened. An entire nation began building the future as a system. That nation is China. And the question the world is now asking is China creating the blueprint for the first true technology-powered civilization? Because what is happening is not just about gadgets. It is about a new way of living. A world where machines do not simply help humans. They become part of human society. For years, China was known as the manufacturing center of the planet. Products were designed elsewhere, but it was built in China. However, something changed. China realized something powerful. The country that only manufactures the present depends on others for the future. So China began investing in the technologies that could define the next century. Artificial intelligence, robotics, electric transportation, automation, smart infrastructure. The goal was not to create one successful invention. The goal was to build an entire ecosystem where every technology supports another.